Here is a very simple circuit for the first steps with the online circuit simulator ECSP. When the circuit is built, press on New Steps. Put in a simulation time and the number of steps. Press OK. This was one run. For a continuous simulation, press the Continuous button. For a simulation run in sync with the source, go back to New Steps and press the Adjust button. Now you can change the values of the elements by sliders appearing while touching an element. For a simulation over a few cycles, increase the simulation time to a multiple of the base cycle time, increase the number of steps accordingly, or press the Adjust button, which does it automatically. For a slow motion, press the Slow Motion button and OK. Now you can directly see the impact of the changing values on the oscilloscope. For a new circuit, click Menu and New. Drag and drop elements from the Elements list and arrange them nicely on the canvas. For rotating an element, right-click on the element. You can connect elements directly when the element connectors touch each other. Or you can connect elements by means of a connecting line. Touch one connector by the mouse. It is highlighted by a red circle. Click on it and click the mouse end of the sticky line on the other connector. Each element connector snapping to the line end or to the line between the ends is considered connected to the same network node. Start a new line on an element connector or on a line end connector. Touch the element connector by the mouse. When the red circle appears, click. End the line on another element or line connector, click the sticky line end to another connector. As a result, both connectors are connected to the same node. Start a new connecting line anywhere on the canvas, double-click where you want it to be started. To end the connecting line anywhere on the canvas, double-click where you want it to be ended. Add connecting line segments. Click where you want a new segment to be started. All connected line segments are treated as one line, so you can connect an element anywhere on the line segments, at the ends or between the segment ends. Start the line on another line anywhere between the endpoints. Put the mouse on the line. When red, click. Terminate, double-click. Terminate the sticky line anywhere on another line. Touch the line between the ends. When red, click. Delete the line. Right-click on the line and then click the Delete button. Or touch the line by the mouse and press the Delete button of your keyboard. Delete a group of lines. Drag and drop a selection rectangle over the group of lines to be deleted and press the Delete button. The selection rectangle appears automatically when drag and drop on the canvas. Input element values and select voltages, currents or power traces to be visible in the oscilloscope screen. Double-click on the element and enter the value in the pop-up mask. Once the values are entered, press Enter. Activate the traces to be visible. Delete an element. Double-click on the element and press the Delete button. Or touch the element by the mouse and press the Delete on the keyboard. Delete a group of elements, drag and drop over the elements and the lines to be deleted and click the Delete Group button. Shift the group of elements, same as before, but then push the Group button and then drag and drop the group to the new place. Copy and paste the group. Same as before, but then press the Copy button. Click the Alert button. Then right-click at the place where the group shall be copied to and click the Paste button. A click outside the red group terminates the group functions. Undo or redo. Use the undo or redo arrows. For grounding the circuit, you can either connect all the elements which should be grounded with the same line or with the same group of lines. Alternatively, you can drag and drop ground elements and connect each one of them to elements which shall be grounded. Or a combination of ground elements and lines is possible. Once the circuit layout is completed, the element values are in and the traces to be shown are set, you can run the circuit, as demonstrated in the beginning. You can run a single shot, or run continuously for one cycle, or for many cycles. You can run in slow motion as well. And watch, for example, what happens when you close or open a breaker. For a great learning experience, go to my webpage or use the link below in the description.